Wow, another night, another talk update at 10 p.m. PST, August 6th. And DOLPHIN is making landfall in Japanese islands tonight at 85 knots. And as you can see, yeah, it is. I mean, we can show you a satellite loop of this system. Actually, it did dipping south. So, I mean, it's hitting the island, as you can see. We can also show you a radar loop earlier tonight. And yeah, I mean, really interesting. That shows wind gusts over 80 knots, pressure in the 940s. Wow, pretty interesting, that's for sure. Um, this system has restricted to a Cat 2 and will strengthen to 90 knots over the next few hours before it starts weakening, um, making landfall around 70 knots in China on the ninth, midday of the ninth. So about another 3 days of this system, as you can see. But yeah, I mean, very interesting indeed. There's the GEFS. Yep. Now we're going to look at another system, which is CHAN-HOM. 29.2, 160.8, 45 knot winds. This system looks subtropical, but it has become more tropical in nature in the last few hours. It will become pure tropical storm soon, head toward northern Japan over the next few days. And as you can see, yeah, I mean, it's dealing with some shear, but it has a well-defined OC. So yeah. Now we're going to look at what's left of Korea, which is back over the Eastern Pacific, but I mean, it has definitely become less organized, and it's no longer a tropical cyclone. We'll head northeastward away from land. 97W has formed, in the Gulf of Tonkin, about ready to move back into China. Um, yeah, could become a tropical storm on the South Southern Sea over the next few days. Um, Definitely it's a little bit of LC. Lastly, yeah, we got one more system we're watching. Busy 98W, 18.7 north, 143 east. Could also form and turn more towards Japan during the longer turns. We'll have to see. Definitely worth watching. Yep. Now that's what we have for the Western Pacific. Got two systems in the Eastern Pacific. One in the Eastern Pacific has 30% in 7 days. Another in Air Mexico has 30%. This system in Air Mexico has the best chance, as I was talking about last night. Hers is at 102 hours. Hers is the Central Pacific system. Hers at 126 hours, as you can see. 144 hours. Picture a hurricane there. Let's look at CMC. Show kind of shows both systems. More if it's on the Central Pacific system on the CMC. The main system we're watching is an MDR, of course, like we said last night. Here's the GFS. As you can see, GFS longer term kind of does fit up a little bit below, but not much more than that. Let's look at the ECAI. Here that is. Not exactly a strong system, but something to watch. Another system follows it. Interesting. So we're going to continue watching things. That is your world watch.